Alright guys, want to enable floating window on your Poco X8 Pro Max? No need to overthink it. There's a quick and simple way to use apps in floating mode. Stay with the steps you see on the screen and multitask easily without any hassle. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Let's get into it.